I explain Loft command. First take line command. It is 40 mm height. It is 20 mm length. Again 40. Enter and close it. Then go to fillet radius. Select the fillet. In the command bar you got select radius. Radius value 10 mm. Enter. Select the first line and the second line. Again enter. First line and the second line. Enter. Now you have to use region all. It is separately single entity. So region all. Before that you got to join. Use join command. Enter. Select all. Enter. Now here it is closed boundary. Next take again line command from this corner to the same direction. 30 mm. Enter and 20. Enter and this also 30. This also 20. Enter. This also you have to make it fillet. Go to fillet. Select radius value 10. Enter. Select the first line and the second line. Again enter. Do like this. Okay. This also you have to use in the second bracket also you have to join the first line, second line, third, all the lines you got select. Use join. I move it separately. This enter. Move it here. See here it is a closed boundary. This also closed boundary. Okay, next I move it. Enter. This same corner. Next here one more circle is you have to draw. Circle center is like this, and a circle diameter 7.5. 7.5 draw like this. Okay. Now we have changed it southwest isometric view. In the viewport you have select southwest isometric view. Okay. Then take one vertical line. Enter. Take one horizontal line. Enter. Then go to coordinate system. Select this UCS. Keep this. It is x direction. The horizontal line is x direction, and it is y direction. You have to mark it. Then below here, see here it is polar tracking. Here enable the 45-degree inclination and switch on this polar tracking. Next go to rotate. Select the small object and the circle also select. Enter. Keep the base point. It is rotate with the 45 degree. It is view 45 degree. You have to rotate. Click enter. Now this reference line say you got to delete. No need this. Okay. Now go to future command. Select loft. Second one is loft. Select the bigger one and the small one. 45 degree. It is view 45 degree. You have to rotate. Click enter. Now this reference line say you got to delete. No need this. Okay. Now go to future command. Select loft. Second one is loft. Select the bigger one and the small one. Enter. Next it asks setting only. Go to setting. Ruled or smooth fit anyone. I select ruled. Give OK. Now go that loft created. Okay. This circle part we got subtract from this. So go to solid, select subtract, select the bigger object, enter, select the smaller object, enter. This not subtracted, go to wireframe, select subtract, select the bigger object, enter, circle object select now, enter. Okay, thank you.